Why does it make some noise? I love to make noise. Me too. Oh yeah, baby.
Oops.
Making all that noise?
Ooh, here comes Goo Goo Mom.
I bet it's Gaga Baby. Gaga Baby, you're not asleep. You can't trick me.
You caught me, Mommy.
Do you know who's making the noises?
I picked up the magic wand and turned Goo Goo Gaga into twins. Sorry.
Well, pick up your magic wand and help me fix this mess.
Okay, Mommy.
Huh? Hey kids, where is the noise coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, the living room, or the toy room? It's coming from the toy room. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noisemaker. Aha!
Hi, Goo Goo Mom.
Hi, and bye.
See you later, Goo Goo Gaga. You're making too much noise.
Woo!
2 down, 2 more to go.
Oh, hi, Goo Goo Mom.
Dude, you're making too much noise. Adios.
Phew. Oh, hi, Gaga Baby.
Adios, Goo Goo Gaga.
Hey guys, who made all that noise?
You were silly.
Huh? Oh well. Goo Goo Guys.
Good night, Monster Dude. Huh? What's that? Who's making all that noise? Hey! Hey, Google friends, where's the noise coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, upstairs, or the living room? It's coming from the living room. Good job, Google friends. I see the noise maker. Gaga Baby,
Yes, Easy Kid.
are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put that away. I'm trying to sleep here.
Okay, sorry.
Finally, peace and quiet. see anyone. Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the boys' room, toy room, or the kitchen? It's coming from the kitchen. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noise maker. Goo Goo Gaga.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put those pots away, please. I'm trying to sleep.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, little brothers. Who's that making all that noise? I wonder where the noise is coming from. Hey! I don't see nobody at the front door. Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the kitchen, boys' room, or backyard? It's coming from the backyard. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noise maker. Gaga Baby?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise? I'm trying to sleep.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put the llama up, dude.
Okay, sorry.
I love my little brother, but they get on my nerves sometimes. Who's that making that noise again? I bet the noise is coming from my brother's room. Huh? Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you guys know where the noise is coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, living room, or toy room? It's coming from the toy room. Thank you, Goo Goo friends.
Four.
Goo Goo Gaga.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Is that you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Stop making all that noise. I was trying to sleep, but now I'm up.
Okay, sorry.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm going to take a nap.
Ooh, let's sing a song. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The left, right song.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left and right.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, left, right.
I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
What's wrong, Goo Goo Gaga and Gaga Baby?
You monsters two are making too much noise. Yeah, we can't sleep.
Well, don't be noisy when other people's trying to sleep.
Okay, Ziggy Kid.
Kids, remember! When someone is sleeping, be considerate, but not making too much loud sounds.
Yay!
Hey, come back!
Goo Goo Gaga, make sure to look after the kids.
Oh no, I'm gonna find the kid before the dad come back. Mommy,
Yes, Goo Goo Gaga, how may I help you?
I need help to find a car. May you help me?
Sure, I'll help you. Let's go.
what car should we find first? Blue. Okay, we'll find a blue car. Hey! Where is the blue car? Hey kids, do you see the blue car? Is the blue car in the living room, bedroom, or toy room? It's in the toy room. Thank you, I see the blue car. I found you, blue car.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what colored car should we find next?
Green.
Okay, let's find the green car. Hey! Where is the green car? Hey kids, have you seen the green car? Is the green car in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom? It's in the bedroom. Thank you kids, I see the green car. I found you, green car, I found you.
You finally found me.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what car should we find next? Orange. Okay, we'll find the orange car. Hey! Where is the orange car? Hey kids, do you see the orange car? Is the orange car in the toy room, bedroom, or living room? The orange car in the living room. Thank you, I see the orange car. I found your orange car. I found you, dude.
Hi, Goo Goo Gaga.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what color car should we find next?
Right.
Okay, the red one. Hey! Where is the red car? Hey kids, do you see the red car? Is the red car in the bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen? It's in the kitchen. Thank you kids, I see the red car. I found you, car.
Yay, you finally found me.
Red car, it's time to take a nap. Boom!
Hello, we are ready to take the kids home.
Kids, time to go home.
Yay!
Hey kids, what's color we learned today? Orange, blue, green, red. We love you.
Subscribe to our channel.